AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUD against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, and make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video you have some links so you can join free Telegram for sure. And if you want some swing setups, you can come to this page, open it in a new tab, and then you can watch these setups and you can join this program if you want. So go and check this out and this will help you. So check out the first link if you want to get swing trading mentorship, and if you want to speak with me you can book consultation using the second link. So make sure you join into my free Telegram, by the way. Subscribe, like, blah blah blah. Coming back to AUDUSD, the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are up, daily we are up, 4 hour we are up as well. So pull back and we go long. So look for longs after pullback in 4 hour. That's AUDUSD. And if you want precise entry, exit, stop loss, then join this Swing Like a Pro membership program. And I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.